Well, we couldn't fight the calendar any longer. It is getting to be late November, and it's that time of the year not only for wind from storms, but also cold. And we've had a colder day today. Here's the fading daylight out there. You can still kind of see the flag. Here's Hammond's Tower. You can see the flag right there blowing in the wind. I mean, wind's been very gusty today, and some cases about as strong as they were back on Monday. In Springfield, out of the observations, the highest gust that I saw was 46 miles per hour. Joplin, a 41 mile per hour gust. Up to 40 mile per hour gust in Monette. Areas closer to Lake of the Ozarks also dealing with strong winds on the order of around 35 to 40 miles per hour. Where's all this wind coming from? Well, it's all about a squeeze play. We've got low pressure to the north, and you can see it. I mean, we've got snow swirling around across Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's close to an area of low pressure that's located here. Further south, we've got an area of high pressure, and it's the difference in pressures that generates the wind. And it will continue to generate the wind over the next 24 hours. Here's a look at the wind gusts right now. Very strong here across the upper Midwest into Iowa, especially northern Missouri, but we're getting strong wind gusts even here in southern Missouri and in northern Arkansas. And the wind's going to remain strong overnight tonight and into the day on Thursday. I don't think the winds are going to be quite as strong on Thursday as they were today, but gusts of at least 30 miles per hour very likely, and maybe over 35 miles per hour. As far as sky conditions, they're looking pretty good. They're going to remain clear overnight tonight, and it looks like we're going to hold on to sunny skies for most of the area on Thursday. I think there will be a few clouds that may try to skim past our eastern counties up toward the Rolla, Doolittle area. Overnight Thursday night, generally clear. Another round of clouds may try to build back into our eastern counties, though, by Friday morning, and then those will fade later in the day. And for the most part, I think we're going to find a bright and breezy day on Friday. Now let's talk temperatures. It looks colder tomorrow morning than it was this morning. This morning we got into the upper 30s. Looks like tomorrow morning we're going to drop into roughly the mid 30s, about 34 for a low in Springfield. Afternoon highs are going to be colder. In fact, it may be noticeably colder tomorrow afternoon with temperatures topping out in the middle and upper 40s in most areas. The warmest spots over toward I-49 and also across northern Arkansas. Then tomorrow night, temperatures slip below freezing. I think Friday morning is going to be our coldest morning for most areas that we've had so far this fall season, with afternoon highs remaining cold. Looks like upper 40s to low 50s generally across the region. The weekend, though, features a warming trend. After a cold and frosty start Saturday, afternoon highs up near 60 degrees. On Sunday, we have morning lows well above freezing with afternoon highs in the upper 60s. In fact, it's a setup where if there's enough sunshine, some spots could hit 70 Sunday afternoon. After Sunday, though, we're going to get back into a chillier pattern, and it still looks like as we work through the middle portion of the week, we're going to have an active storm track here through the middle of the country. I think Wednesday will be a chilly day, turning wet. Thanksgiving Day looks chilly, breezy, and wet. And I think for shopping on Friday, still chilly with lingering clouds. So the holiday looks like it could be wet and on the cold side and also maybe on the windy side. There's a look at the 7-day forecast. So good looking weekend if you've got some outdoor decorating to do for the upcoming holiday season. Steve?
All right, Jamie. Major